Okay, we're going to try to solve for the slope of this equation. This one right here. So let's solve for the slope. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to put it in a form that automatically shows us a slope. Like in slope-intercept form, we get this. We get this, where m is a slope. So if we can put this equation in terms of slope-intercept form, we could just look at this at m, and we would find out the slope. Or we could put it in point slope form, which would be this. I guess we could say x1, where m again is a slope. But I'm gonna put it in slope-intercept form for now. So let's get started. Let's isolate the y's. So let's subtract 3. Let's add 3 from both sides. We're going to add 3 to both sides. So here we get 0. So this just becomes 2y. Here we get 10 plus negative 4x. And then we can divide both sides by 2 just to get y by itself. Remember, we're going to divide each term. So then this becomes negative 2x plus 5 is equal to y. And this is now in slope-intercept form, which means that m is going to be the coefficient to x, so negative 2. So the slope for this is negative 2, which means that it'll be going down. Okay, now what about this equation? Well, all we got to do to find the slope is put it again in slope-intercept form or point slope form. It doesn't matter. But, we're going to put in slope-intercept form. Okay, let us isolate. Let's get all the x's on this side. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. 2x minus 2x. And then we're going to get right here. Ow. If we subtract 2x from this, we're going to get negative 5x plus 5y is equal to 3y. And then we can subtract 5y from both sides. Subtract 5y. And what we get is negative 5x is equal to, not 3y, is equal to negative 2y. And then we can divide both sides by 2, or negative 2. And what we get here would be, 2 and 1/2 x is equal to y. Now you remember thinking, well, where's the b? The b would just be 0. You could just say plus 0. And the m would be equal to 2 1/2. There you go. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Anyways, sounds cool.